Hello everyone, I'm Vidhi Shah, a third year student in the Integrated Biomedical Science program at Navrachana University. The main highlight of this program is its diverse curriculum, which includes all the core subjects like cell and molecular biology, bioinformatics, reproductive medicine and endocrinology, molecular medicine, pharmacology, toxicology, immunology, and many more. We have well advanced research facilities and labs so that all the concepts can also be practically explained and understood. The faculties at Navrachana are not only knowledgeable but also very approachable. Their hard work and dedication towards teaching and research has always motivated us to gain a deeper understanding in the field of biomedical science. We have a very vibrant campus culture here, and there are many interdisciplinary projects and student led initiatives which are very rewarding. Navrachana University is more than just an institution. It is a community where we are encouraged to dream big and achieve our goals.